Hello, my friends out there in the YouTube world. How is everybody doing today? Damn, it is almost 60 degrees. A couple days before Thanksgiving. This fall so far has been a very decent one. Hasn't been really all that bad at all. I mean, we've had a couple cold nights, a couple cold days, but for the most part, it hasn't really been that bad. So today, I want to talk real quick about the channel, give you a little channel update, give you a little update about me and what's going on. So yeah, so here we go. The channel, I don't know what's going on with the channel. I still have an issue with comments. People saying the comments I leave on their channels, they're not coming through properly. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know if YouTube has an issue with my channel or what the deal is. I had reached out to YouTube and really got not a whole lot back. But after I reached out, it seems like a couple people were able to see my comments again. And then as soon as they reappeared, they fucking disappeared again. So I don't know if my channel's shadow banned. I don't know if it's dead in YouTube's eyes. I couldn't tell you. It seems like I'm not getting pushed out there even when I was putting out videos. As there was a few weeks in there that I was putting out videos every week, and wasn't really getting the views that I normally used to get. So I don't know if like it's just not being pushed out. My subscriber count has been fluctuating like a motherfucker. I'd lose 6 or 7 subscribers, gain 1, lose a couple more, gain 3 more. It's been up and down, up and down. So I mean, it's ever since I hit the 1K, it seems like it's just been kind of fucked up. But right now I'm currently on my favorite road, well, one of my favorite roads in my area, Route 29. I'm just taking a ride. I did get rid of my PO box, so anybody looking to send me anything to my PO box, don't send it to that one. I had an issue with the post office. The post office was shitty, I'll be honest with you. They changed their hours. I couldn't access my PO box early in the morning when I normally would, you know, and it's just difficult for me to go over there. I wound up getting a new PO box, and this PO box is actually, I can access it 24/7, which means I can access it anytime, which is good. And I go by there going to and coming home from work. So it is something I'm able to access quite often. So I could stop there once a day if I wanted. I could stop there twice a day if I wanted to. But I'll post that right here, the new PO box, to let you guys know what it is. If you have anything you want to send me, if you guys would currently like to do a sticker swap, I'd be more than happy to do that with you. I'm going to go, even though yeah, or you just want to send me shit, I'm more than happy to, you know, receive stuff from you guys if you want to send me anything. But yeah, other than that, done commuting back and forth to work. It is just too dangerous to be riding in the areas I ride in on my way to work with all the wildlife, and fucking the deer, man, are insane. I don't want to die to a deer. I don't want to get into an accident because of a deer. So I choose to just drive the truck instead, because it's just safer and easier. So yeah, that's what is going on with the channel. Other than that, you know, strolling along, cruising along. Hopefully we'll keep on getting more days like this where I can get out and ride. All right, guys, so there's your update. Hopefully, and I mean, that's why I really haven't been posting anything or uploading any videos. For one, I had an audio issue that I've recorded like 3 videos and I had no fucking audio. And hopefully I got it sorted out right now. But the fact that my channel is just screwed up right now, it's kind of frustrating. So that's pretty much so why I haven't been uploading. So if even if it doesn't get better, I'm going to keep on uploading stuff just to, you know, because while I enjoy doing it, it's still frustrating. But so yeah, I'm gonna keep on doing it. I don't know how often it'll be, but I'll keep on doing it. All right, until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.